Hey guys, welcome back to the Auto Chapter. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most powerful and luxurious coupes on the road right now, the 2026 BMW M8. If you're someone who craves top-tier performance, wrapped in an elegant and aggressive design, this beast is going to grab your full attention. From its roaring V8 engine to its meticulously crafted cabin, the new M8 takes driving excitement and luxury to the next level. Let's start with the first thing you notice, the exterior. The 2026 M8 keeps BMW's iconic styling alive, but with a bolder and more aerodynamic touch. The kidney grills are slightly slimmer now, giving it a more refined look, while the adaptive LED headlights look sharp and futuristic. The car sits low and wide with a powerful stance, thanks to its 20-inch M-specific forged wheels and wider air intakes that scream performance. At the rear, the quad exhaust tips and subtle carbon fiber spoiler give it that muscular edge without overdoing it. The coupe's proportions are perfectly balanced, and the sculpted body lines enhance both beauty and airflow. It's clear BMW didn't just want to make the M8 look fast, they made sure it slices through the wind with precision. Now let's talk performance. The heart of the M8. Under the hood, the 2026 model comes with a 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 that produces a jaw-dropping 640 horsepower and 620 pounds-ft of torque. This engine is paired with BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system, allowing the M8 to rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3 seconds flat. Whether you're carving up a mountain road or cruising down the highway, this car delivers insane acceleration and tight, responsive handling. The M adaptive suspension and rear bias drivetrain give you a perfect mix of control and thrill. And if you're looking for even more excitement, the M Dynamic mode allows for some playful rear-wheel driving when desired. Step inside, and the M8 continues to impress. The interior is nothing short of premium. You're greeted with high-grade merino leather seats that are not just stylish but also extremely supportive. The front seats are heated, ventilated, and come with massage functions, giving you comfort no matter how fast you're going. The cabin is trimmed with carbon fiber accents and aluminum details that add a performance feel, while ambient lighting enhances the mood. At the center of the dash is a large 14.9-inch curved touchscreen, paired with a 12.3-inch digital driver display. BMW's latest iDrive system is smooth, responsive, and now supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The sound system. A high-fidelity Bowers & Wilkins setup that turns every drive into a concert on wheels. Now for the price. The 2026 BMW M8 Coupe starts at around $139,000. And if you go for additional options like the carbon ceramic brakes, premium leather packages, and upgraded driver assistance features, you could be looking at a price tag closer to $155,000. It's definitely a premium investment. But for the performance and luxury you get, it's hard to argue that it's not worth every penny. So there you have it. The 2026 BM? Well, a perfect fusion of power, luxury, and precision engineering. Whether you're hitting the track or pulling up to a red carpet event, this car makes a serious statement. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more high-performance car content. Thanks for watching. And as always, 2026 BMW, see you in the next video.